Tim Edwards Custom Knives here. Just going to show you a quick little video on how I make my custom paper handles. Can't always find micarta in the exact colors that people want. So this one is actually going to be a black and orange. I use a two-part epoxy. It's called glaze coat. You can get it from your, I get it from Menards, it's like 20 bucks. It's the same stuff they use on like bar countertops, so it gets extremely hard. Already went ahead and mixed it. It's a 1-to-1 ratio in this cup. It'll actually heat up pretty hot, get up to in the mid 100s, but I'm going to put a small layer on the paper and then just keep layering up and a little bit of epoxy every time, smearing it across with plastic butter knife. And once I'm done, I'll wrap it up really tight and then put a piece of wood on top and clamp it down. Clamp it down for one day. Then the next day I'll pull the wood clamp off and put additional clamps to make sure it dries flat while I'm mixing up another batch. I got to do blue and black tomorrow. So here we go. So it's pretty runny. It's actually pretty warm out in the shop. But I'm going to fast forward through this once I get going. So it gets pretty slick after a while, so doing a lot of layers on the outside because the customer wants mostly black on the outside. So the top layer is actually going to be quite a few layers of black, so I can make sure it stays on the outside. Just normal construction paper you'd find at So now I'm going to wrap this up tight, get some clamps and the wood on it to make sure it doesn't, like, it'll actually, it's kind of slick, so it'll squish out. So just trying to wrap this up kind of tight. Mm-hmm. Oh, my daughter wants to say hi.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
They like to come out and see what I'm doing. So get a couple more squeezes on here. Make sure nothing's gone out sideways. That's it.